Oh yes, we are heading towards one of these represented landmarks, a very big modern mall. Second biggest in the world to be exact.
Is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall.
And it comes with a good view, you can see. Oh yeah. Burj Khalifa and the Amani Hotel.
Oh, nice, famous. Opened in 2008, the Dubai Mall became the integral part of downtown Dubai. Being home to 1,200 shops, a 5-star premium hotel, it is no wonder the mall attracts over 54 million visitors a year. It's home to every single luxury brand you can possibly imagine. If you can name it, it's here. So what's so nice about this mall is you can actually find absolutely everything, like all the name brands like Gucci to Sony. And with that being said, I think it's time for me to get an upgrade on my new iPhone. You will definitely find an Apple store here. I mean, sorry, I think this is Huawei. Yes, sorry, Huawei. They even have specific high fashion section, and for those of you who love shoes,
If you are a shoes lover, I suggest you to come to this section. We all have Prada, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and every brand that you are wishing for is already here for you. Let's come. Right now, I'm taking you to the Souk, one of the area that they rebuilt to be like a traditional way building, and they are so pretty. Let's take a look.
If you succeeded in finding some rich friends, there's the Souk, a distinctive shopping precinct with wide walkways with jewelry shops, accessory outlet, traditional Arab clothings, and handcraft stores, just to name few. But given the fact most of the store here is out of my budget, I had to settle for window shopping. But if you got some little bit of a dough, check this out. Now for those of you who miss winter sport, check this out. They even have an ice rink here. So if you ever felt like trying to get some practice being a good hockey player, trying out for NHL, or perhaps Olympic trial for the ice skating, well, I guess what? This is a place to do it. However, if you got no budget at all, once again, I got you covered. Two things I love the most: good shoes, so you can get at autos, and right after you get your shoes, you can come here and check out another one of my favorite things, which is diving and checking out amazing animals, undersea creatures in this region. And the best part, this is completely free unless you want to go into the aquarium where there's an admissions fee. If your time's short, just check this out and enjoy it. The aquarium located at the Dubai Mall is one of the largest suspended aquarium in the world, with a capacity to hold over 10 million liters of beer. I mean, water. The Dubai Mall illustrates the marvel of the ocean floor and showcase one of the most diverse collection of marine animals worldwide, totaling over 300 species, including various species of sharks and rays.